This is going to be a moderately long video on how to do incremental email and supermemo. So to start, there are two halves to incremental email. So there's importing email and there's sending email. So it's not very hard to get the importing email part working if you have Outlook or any other full MAPI compliant application. The sending, though, is a lot more work. So this is mainly going to focus on how to get sending working right. So just as a note, sending works with a wider range of mail applications. So for example, you can do sending via Thunderbird. But if you want to do import, then you have to use Outlook or Windows Live Mail, or basically any of these proprietary Microsoft applications that have full extended MAPI support. So just to illustrate, though, the issue that we have here, if I do Shift-Control-E and I try to send something, nothing happens. We have no feedback about what's gone wrong, so we're left completely in the dark. So it took me quite a while, but I roughly figured out how you can fix this. So to start, let's open Registry Editor. So you can just search regedit. And let's go to this extremely specific place that is outlined up here. So HKey local machine, then to software, then to WOW643 node, to node Microsoft, and finally to Windows messaging subsystem. And here we want to add a string. So we can do right click, new string value, type in MAPI, double click on this, and then put in for value 1. That's the first thing. Second thing is you want to make sure that your default app is set as Outlook. I spent a lot of time once troubleshooting trying to get incremental email to work for someone, and the problem was just that we hadn't set the default app to be Outlook, and that was it. So just make sure that it's set as Outlook. And then next, next you've got to do a quick restart. So now that we've done the restart, we can now click this. You need to click yes here. If you click no, then it won't take the text. You can put an address, but I just won't here. It'll still work anyways. And now you got to give it a minute. Ignore that. And bam, we have incremental email working. So that's roughly how to do that.